In this video, we listed the 5 best humidifiers. For the price, and the other details, links available in the description.
With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between 2 types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, Levoit's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home. Levoit.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
Introducing the Vicks filter-free cool mist humidifier. This ultra-quiet humidifier produces a cool, visible mist for temporary relief from cough and congestion. Its easy built-in control dial allows you to customize the moisture level output, while the filter-free technology and large tank opening make for easy cleaning and maintenance. Plus, it accepts up to 2 Vicks Vapor Pads for soothing menthol vapors. The Vicks filter-free cool mist humidifier returns essential moisture to the air, providing easier breathing and a more peaceful sleep. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit VicksHumidifiers.com.
best sleep of your life while treating your skin and maintaining a healthy home with the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Everlasting Comfort. Effortlessly increase humidity in any room with the Humidifier's ultrasonic cool mist, proven to improve sleep, allergies, and skin health by reducing airborne viruses and bacteria. The humidifier features a 6-liter, 1.6-gallon large capacity water tank with a super high mist output of 270 milliliters per hour, lasting up to 50 straight hours between refills. Unlike most ultrasonic humidifiers that come with a filter that needs replacing every couple of months, our unique humidifier is filterless, and it runs whisper quiet. Set it and forget it. And rest easy with its auto shut-off feature that automatically turns off your humidifier once it runs out of water. Plus, it includes a built-in essential oil tray. Simply add your favorite essential oils and fill your room with clean, pure, fresh-smelling aromas. Get the humidifier Kendall Jenner personally recommends in Allure magazine as one of her favorite beauty products. Relax and refresh with the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Everlasting Comfort.